Energy is at the heart of development. Access to electricity is needed to power our homes, schools, hospitals, lighting our streets, manufacturing goods, etc. Access to energy has a direct correlation with 125 out of 169 SDG targets and is crucial for advancing essential services as well as driving socio-economic development. While India has most achieved universal energy access at household level, institutional access to energy is an area that needs improvement. WRI-India with its partners has brought energy supply and energy demand data at an institutional level on a single platform. The Energy Access Explorer or EAE is an online open-source interactive platform that combines and analyzes geospatial data on energy supply and demand to identify and help prioritize areas where energy can be expanded and linked to socio-economic development. It is currently available across Sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia. In India, it is currently available for the states of Jharkhand, Nagaland, Assam, as well as Mizoram. In India, EAE provides users with energy demand data related to different sectors such as health and education. The EAE also provides data on demographics. It also visualizes data on different sources of energy supply such as thermal, solar, mini hydrol, etc., as well as potential sources. The indicators data for the health and education sectors can be hosted for multiple years, which can assist policymakers track progress. This also enables monitoring the performance of different schemes over a period using the timeline option. A trend line for the same can also be accessed at district level. Each dataset is supplemented with metadata, which describes the data and rationale behind hosting it on the platform. For energy supply, EAE includes location-specific data on existing sources of energy, including thermal, hydro, and rooftop solar, as well as potential energy sources through global horizontal irradiance and wind. For instance, by navigating to the Supply tab on the left panel, users can select layers such as Global Horizontal Irradiance and Transmission Line to visualize the current or potential energy supply on the map. Users can apply filters to any dataset through sliders or by editing the values directly after selecting the Active Layers option. The Analysis view displays customized, high-resolution, multi-criteria analysis based on the data and filters that have been selected. For each square kilometer displayed on the map, the tool calculates for indices, which you can view on the right-hand panel. First, you will see the Energy Access Potential Index, which indicates the high-priority areas where access to energy should be expanded. Next, you will see both the demand and supply indices, which indicate areas with high potential energy demand and supply respectively. Last is Assistance Need Index, which highlights the areas which might require more financial assistance. The analysis can also be visualized at the district or block level. The analysis values range from low to medium to high, which will provide a better picture of energy access and locating areas where expanding energy services would be impactful. In the right-hand panel, aggregated analysis results appear in the interactive graphs, which display your selections as a percentage of the total area or population of the state. Results can be summarized in a tabular or graph form by clicking on Report at the top right corner of the screen. These results, together with a summary of the parameters set to perform a customized analysis, can be downloaded as a full report by logging in and clicking on Export Presentation. State nodal agencies and line ministries can use this data-driven approach for planning and implementing development of an area. and private sectors can gain understanding of the energy status of a geography. The option to save analysis enables users to save their analysis and access this later, or multiple analyses where different criteria can be saved and downloaded for comparison or reference as well. Additionally, users can access climate vulnerability datasets such as Flood Vulnerability Index in case of Assam, Landslide Susceptibility, Historical landslide data for Nagaland, while planning energy infrastructure in climate vulnerable areas. Ultimately, EAE can help prioritize areas for policy interventions and implementation. The digital public good can deliver climate-friendly and viable energy transitions for everyone. Find out more about Energy Access Explorer at www.energyaccessexplorer.org.